Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Mixed Emotions. Today I will be discussing something different, and today I will be discussing about online purchase and stuffs like that, because many of us are in a confused state at this point of lockdown, that whether we can buy online stuffs or not, and what is the net outcome and what is the result. So I would love to share my experience with you all. I recently purchased a water purifier, and I thought of purchasing online. So I didn't go for any official site like Flipkart or Amazon. I went to the official site of Kent, and I called them up, and what did the Kent people did was that they sent me an official who is working in Kolkata. He came to my home. He did a free water purification test, and he said that the TDS level is way beyond imagination. It's very high. I requested him to install the machine, and within the stipulated time they came with proper mask and sanitization. They came into my home, they installed the machine, and after that they also tested the water, and they fit all the things, and then they went. So in this entire mechanism, I found that proper steps were taken by Kent and the people who came to install the machine in my home, and I didn't face any such kind of inconvenience during this process. And yeah, so guys, you can also order it from Flipkart or Amazon, but here I got this delivery in a few days. But in case of Flipkart and Amazon, the installation part would be after 7 to 10 days. So that would take a big number of days. So if you're okay with it, you can go for it. But for me, I found that this method of visiting the official website and calling from there, and the officials coming from their side to install the machine in my home, for me it was very much convenient. And they also assured the service to be provided by them only. They gave me the contact number, they gave me all the details, that if I face any problem, they would actually provide me with the solution. Okay, so the next part which I'm coming is that why water purification is needed in our home, and how can you select the best water purifier for your home. So I did a lot of research, as you know. After I completed my work schedule, I used to get some time, and I started researching few stuffs. I have always come across few words like RO, UV, UF that you also have come across. And for a amateur like me, it was very difficult to understand what does those words mean, to be very frank with you. So what I did was that I started Googling those words, not Google, I started to Google those words. And what I found was that water purification was actually needed in many of the household, right? So the water which the tap water which we use is not at all safe for our health. And why water purification is needed is that for a healthy immune system, and to kill all those bacteria and viruses, etc. And I also found out a very interesting topic, that is 8 million people has been affected by waterborne disease over the entire world. This is a research which was done by the World Bank, according to the water.org website. You can go and find it out. 8 million people have been they have been affected due to this waterborne disease. So water purification is a very important step for every such household. And the entire water purification is only 5% of the total population, specifically in the world. So what I decided is that I also went through this RO and UV UF process. What is this and what happens actually? So what does RO does is that RO is nothing but a reverse osmosis process. Reverse osmosis is a word which we have all read in our science. If you would have read science, taken up science, I think we all have been acquainted with this word reverse osmosis. It is nothing it has a semi-permeable membrane through which all those solids and all those bacteria and virus, they get filtered, and they don't the reverse osmosis process restricts them to be inside the water. They actually take them away to one side, and they push the purified water to the other side. So this is the entire reverse osmosis process, or you can also say that the hard water turns into soft water through reverse osmosis process. But one problem with reverse osmosis is that those particles cannot be removed through through this RO process. The next part is that the UV process. So what is this importance of UV process? Now the UV, there is a UV bulb in the tank for this particular model which I've purchased. As you will see the video, this UV bulb, what it does is that it totally kills the bacteria. It kills the entire bacteria through the UV light. Okay, and after this RO and UV, it comes UF. UF is nothing but it removes those dead particles. It removes those dead particles and all those bacteria and viruses which has been killed in the RO and the UV process. So it is totally removed. Because if the UF purification is not there, it becomes very difficult for the entire process to be handled by the purifier. And the last but not the least is the TDS process. It is nothing but it is the total dissolved solid in the water. It gives a check. The person or the service person who will come, he will be able to understand what is the TDS level of the water. So this particular machine of Kent is actually enabled with all these 4 technology. And I really prefer these 4 technologies to be there inside this Kent purifier, which would help my water to be purified at a very advanced stage. Another part of this water purification which I found out was that this particular model is a smart water purifier. That is, you will see that the entire purification level or the RO life or when the water is purified, what is the condition of the tank, everything is displayed in a small smart screen. For me, this would have been more convenient because according to the previous models, we were not very much sure about what is going on, how is the filter life being affected, what is the RO life, what is what. We just had a very plain model. This smart process or the smart purifier, it would help me to understand that what is the actual condition. I guess Kent has come up with this unique strategy, and this is the first model of Kent. After thorough research and after discussion with the Kent person also, I really thought that this would actually boost up my water purification process. My parents for them also it will be a big help because they can see everything on the screen, and it would be a big help for them also. And they also found it very convenient. And yes, after that you can go through the videos where I will be explaining how I did this water how I would explain how I decided to take up this model and what are the advantages of this model. So I would be discussing the same in the upcoming videos, guys. So if you have liked this video, then do subscribe to my channel, and if you would have any other suggestions or reviews, then do let me know in the comment section, and keep watching Mixed Emotions. Thank you so much. So guys, as you all can see, the water is being purified. So this is the purification button, this is the RO flow button, this is the filter life. Whenever the filter life will drop down to 1 or 2 level, that means we have to talk to the plumber, and same goes for this RO flow. As you can see, this fan is revolving, the small fan. This denotes that the water is being purified. This is the power button. As you can see, they have also provided the service number. This is the LCD button. If the screen goes off and if I tap on this button, we will be able to see the status again. Yeah, and this is the tap through which the water will flow. Yeah, and this is the connection, and this is the entire structure, as you all can see. And this is enabled with RO, that is reverse osmosis, and also UV, UF and TDS controller. So these 4 things are there, and this particular model has a save water technology, and the water can be recovered at a very fast rate, and the UV light is there in the storage tank. Due to the presence of UV light in the storage tank, it helps to purify the water in a very faster and quicker way. And this is the very upgraded and the smart filter. That is the reason we all can see whatever is going on in this LCD monitor. This is the best part about this particular model. Again, I will be taking you to another part where you can see this is the reject water pipe, and this particular water gets rejected through this pipe in the sink, and this is the water in, that is the water gushes or water flows through this pipe, right? So this is the entire model, as you all can see. And another good part is that the particular this is the particular filter will stop working as soon as the tank gets entirely filled with water. And the purification is a continuous process. It continuously filters the water as the water gets into the tank. So this is a very good thing which I found out. And yes, being a smart filter, it helps you to understand the basic details of what is going on in your filter process. And this is the iron filter which I have used, and this is the iron filter which was needed in order to remove the impurities, as you all know. So yeah, as you can see, this is the auto flush system. The wastewater, it gets auto flushed in the system, and as you can see that the tank is full now. A few minutes before it was still purifying. The few other features of this particular model I may like to share is that this is a multi-stage purification process occurs in the system, and it makes the water 100% pure, and it is also it makes it safe for consumption too. The Smart RO purifier, it has a digital display, as you all can see this one, and this is for the convenience of the users, right? Because many times it happens that we are not able to understand what is wrong with our filter, which I have faced before too. So this is the convenience which they have accommodated the model with. The digital display feature informs the users about the filter life. Okay, it will be telling you about the filter life, as you can see this thing here. They will also discuss about the RO flow, whether the RO, the reverse osmosis process is going in a correct way or not. Another thing which you guys can see is the low minerals, as you can see. This is a meter, okay? This is a mineral meter. It will be telling you whether the mineral required in this filter is more, or is it needed, or is it in a low stage or a good stage, or is it in a high stage. The person who came to install this machine, he instructed me till the minerals is showing low or good, it is absolutely fine, we don't have to worry. As soon as this meter crosses the good and comes over to this high part, it is a problem for the machine itself. So at that point of time, we would have to call the plumber, or we would have to talk to the plumber, right? Another best part about this filter is that it is India's first RO water purifier with an in-tank UV disinfection feature. This ensures that the water in the storage tank is purified and safe for consumption. So this is the first such model with an in-tank UV disinfection cleaner, right? And the water purifier, it has a high storage capacity, and which ensures continuous supply of water even in the absence of electricity. Even if electricity is not there, it will be continuously supplying the water. And conventional RO purifiers or the other purifiers, they reject almost 80% of the water and retain only 20%. But in this case, it is just the opposite. Even without electricity, the water supply will be sufficient for at least 3 people in the family.
Thank you for watching. Do like, comment and subscribe. Mixed Emotions.